What is going on, YouTube? kenusd coming to y'all once again with another trade breakdown from today's live stream. Today, once again, we were on YM as usual. Let's get straight into the breakdown. As you can see, just on the 15-minute time frame, today was all in all not a good day, and not a day I really all too much needed to be trading. I ended up throwing down 6 trades, coming out with profit, as you can see down here, about $380 in profit. A really choppy day. Let's see now. Personally, my setup, what I look for on YM is just basic inversion gaps. And they were not busting today. So a lot of what I was entering was just a continuation on not price action, but market structure. So we came down, broke structure, lower low, lower high. I entered I entered off this second rejection wick right here. It's right at the beginning of the position. So boom, that second rejection wick is where y'all can see my position right there. So y'all see where I entered. And yeah, basically just a retest of the lows. It wasn't really a clean zone up here, and I know how YM is. It's either we respect the order block or we respect the lows. The lows are just too clear. So I went ahead and entered quick 1 to 2, 2 5, 2 6. I wanted to play the continuation a little bit more here, but momentum was slowing down so much to where I should have been looking for buys, because we didn't have a single order block on the way down, and we inversed the first one we had down here pretty quickly. So I definitely missed out on buys here for sure. I will say at this point we inversed the 5-minute gap right here, so I tried to get in for that 5-minute inversion, but I just didn't like it the way price action was moving, so I basically hopped right back out. And then this sell was just shit. We had an order block here. We disrespected the gap, but we respected the order block. So typically when that happens, price action takes off. And price action did take off momentarily. And then we came all the way back to my break even. And I know where we're targeting today for sure is these lows. Now that's the leg that we made today. And I thought that that's where we wanted to go ahead and go. But no, we wanted to grab some more liquidity, take some more people out. That's completely fine. The 15-minute ended up still respecting its gap. So that's what gave me my buys for my last sell of the day, which was a W, as you can see here. This was literally just a breakout. Stops above the highs. I seen the volume coming into the market, coming from an area where we didn't have all too much volume. So seeing the volume coming in, I know we're going to continue it at least for another 5-10 minutes. So I try to catch a decent bit of it, catching the breakout. And I mainly just wanted another $200 day. I was up to 1,000. I ended up closing with around 880, but I just wanted another $200 day. I had got it down to where it was only 160 on the day. So that's why I took this last trade, and it was pretty much this is an A+ setup. Like I wouldn't even say A+ in my eyes. This is about a B+, because A+ in my eyes, I would be risking a tad bit less, and my stops. So obviously, if I'm risking less, my stops would be tighter because I only had one contract on the trade, regardless. So yeah, that's today's trade breakdowns. 2 losers, 2 winners, and 2 break even. Yeah. Looks like this continuation is about to go ahead come through. Off of that order block. Telling you, I'm calling you now. If you want sales down to here, you can take them if you want them. So yeah, I close around there. Yeah, that's pretty much all she wrote. As for tomorrow, I do feel like we're gonna follow through to the downside. I can see that happening tomorrow. Unless this candle closes something like how it is now and we start to range after PM session, if the candle closes something like how it is now, we should be able to see a push to the upside tomorrow. It just depends on how the daily candle closes, but we will definitely show up and we will definitely be on stream for that. We want to show y'all the Top Step dashboard from yesterday. We got one total winning day, $501. Can't complain. I will say, now that we're done with the breakdown, I will say, trading on this PA account is completely different from the combine stage, mainly because I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose anything. Like, in the combine stage, like, shit, I spent a little $50 and I still spent that same little 50. No, I spent 150. So now I spent like 200, got this funded account. And it's like I'm known to sit through pullbacks. Just literally just sit there, chill. Oh, that's a breakout. Oh, that's a pullback. Oh, that's a breakout. Oh, that's a pullback. I could do that. Like, literally just sit there and do that. But I don't know, man. With this, I just gotta adjust. It's been a while since I've been on a funded account. I've never got a payout. And Top Step makes it to where once you get past your profit target, once you get past your drawdown, it doesn't trail you anymore. You just can't go to zero. So once I get past $2,000, I'm cooling. Like, that's really just the point that I'm trying to get to. And in the challenge phase, I had like 3 days back, or no, how did it happen? So I was up 1,500. I lost about 1,500. I made 1,500. And then the very next day, I made 1,500 again. So within 4 days, I made 1,500. 3 out of the 4 days, I lost 1,500 one of those days. And the only reason it was 1,500 and not more was because I closed. Because the consistency rule exists. But now the consistency rule is not here. I'm just trying to get over that buffer stage. And literally one trade where I would have closed in the challenge phase, in this phase, will get me there. But one thing I also will say, I was open to risking more in the combine as well. That I was. We just got to be open to risk the same way. Just be the same trader you were in the combine, because that's the perfect balance of risk management and risky nigga shit. Like, personally, I don't, like, once I get this payout, I'm not taking my time, bro. I'm taking off. Like I don't want to sound no type of way by saying that, but it's not the same, brother. It's not the same. But this video is getting pretty long, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. But till next time, Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Doesn't take any food off the table. Don't take no money out your trading account. Don't take no prop firm challenges out your hands. Make sure to come chill with me on live every day or every weekday, every day that the market is open, between 8:30 and whatever time I end up closing my charts. Today we ended around 10:13. And yeah, till next time.